Hello everyone, this is Jim from Daru Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 7th of December afternoon analysis. We will cover some charts, and then before we start, I will just share some news with you. So I will start with the trade deficit, narrowing trade deficit of US. And the data for balance of trade has been published today. Yeah, there is a trade deficit in US as always, but this time it's 6 month low. Recent months we have seen record highs. It was 81 billion dollar, and right now it's 67 US dollar, and this is the lowest reading in 6 months. So the reason is mainly because they are just increasing their exports, and imports are at a stable pace, and crude oil shipments, on the report it says crude oil shipments has risen significantly. So we know that the rig numbers in US are increasing, and at a point they will just produce just like 2019. At a point they will just produce more than US needs, and they will send these oil some other countries, and then these will make some other income for US economy. We will see that. And yeah, as you can see here right now, this was the news. As you can see here, we are on the chart of CAD Japanese yen. So this is just behaving like US oil prices. As we have mentioned before, Canadian economy is dependent, not like Saudi Arabia, but still dependent on oil income. And with price rise of US oil, we have seen the same thing in Canadian dollar, and it's gaining momentum right now. As you can see here, it's the critical point, 89.97, almost 900. So you can say, sorry, 90, almost 90 level is a critical level for this currency pair. And if we cannot see breaking or holding above this resistance area, so another drop is being expected. At the same time, US oil has risen so fast, and we see some declines in that commodity as well. So this is a good currency pair, and you can make some trade in this pair as well. As I said, it's right now getting closer to resistance area. Just wait for resistance test. If it can, if it gets rejected from this point, then with a sell option you can make money. Even right now it's giving signal of a decline, RSI as well, like confirming that one, and with a sell option you can make some money in this parity. All right, let's look at our next chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Market.
All right, our next chart is wheat. As you can see here, wheat is on decline. So we were talking about around these levels, like 860 levels, and it will test lower levels because it cannot go higher. It has to make some correction, and it will just go away because at the same time, in just like 7 days, the contract for these current contract will end, and next contract will be starting. And that is important because on every contract and people don't want to get physical delivery, trader especially. So it is testing, as you can see here, it is testing 800 levels, and for so much it is making like some rises but not going further. So each time 1 2 3 it is testing, but at a point it will just break this support line, and we will see wheat prices 771 in next week probably, or Thursday, Friday can test these levels, and even it can test 750 levels in that one. And after this decline, we will see some rebound from these levels. But as I said, this is the basic food people are consuming. If there is no wheat in bread, so there is social unrest. So governments are focusing on the price of these commodities as well, not only on the price of US oil or other gas prices. This is also important commodity, needs to be watched out, needs price stability. So right now it is testing really high levels. From these high levels, when the problem of pandemic related shipment and these kind of problems solved, we will see lower levels of wheat. Also important and long-term expectation for wheat, in my opinion. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is GBP USD. As you can see here, GBP USD is falling and falling, testing lower levels because expectation of new uh, expectation of Fed hawkish mood is going on. Faster tapering and rate hike, making dollar index stronger and stronger. And just last week, Bank of England president has said that we have to see Omicron cases in UK, then we can speak about tapering and rate hikes in UK. Reason is there are a lot of connection from Africa to UK because labor force also there are a lot of people and African background, and then the South African variant, Omicron variant, is spreading so fast in UK, and they may see some problems. Even right now, they have made a lot of restrictions. They have banned a lot of countries to fly from those countries. Around like 20 countries from Africa right now banned to fly from those countries to UK. So this is making UK economy is more fragile compared to US. Right now, US recovering faster than UK. That's why we see a stronger US dollar against GBP. And as you can see, it is testing 1.31 level and too much. And if we see this support level doesn't work, then we will see uh, another sell-off in GBP USD prices. All right, let thank you so much for watching us, and please just keep watching these commodities and also like your pairs, and you can make good money this week, especially on Friday. Have a nice day. Bye.